We're at Walmart. I'm gonna see you guys after, but this is my list. If you guys want to see, ooh, my hair package arrived. This is my list I have so far. So I'm technically making 4 things. Excuse me, mainly sides and desserts. So this is what I have. This is what we're going in there for. I'm not gonna record in there because it's just too much. But I will see you guys there. And it looks already so busy. So hopefully this stuff is not sold out. Hopefully. Bye. On our way to Thanksgiving. We can be friends. We can do this every weekend. There's a whole trunk full of groceries. So that's gonna be fun. We just made it to my suegras house. I'm so tired. Hi! Hi! Hi, mamas! Hi, mama. I already seen it. Hi, princesa! Hello! Hola! Hola! Bye-bye! Seeing that they're playing against your fucking ass. Step on it to see if that... Like the charcuterie board. I told you I know. Okay, do you want chocolate milk then? No, it's okay. Make it all ugly. Yeah. Or maybe like... So I'm gonna separate all the meals that I am gonna make. So the bacon with the asparagus, and then I got brown sugar, asparagus. We're at my dad's now. First Thanksgiving. How the boys are looking.
Back at it again. Haven't seen me much, haven't been around much.
Hey, we're gonna
Juggling ball.
be done in
Thanksgiving time.
the turkey.
Okay.
Where's your shoes at?
Eve, así? Wow. Gio, picture. Photo, photo, photo. Shee! So we just left my dad's and it's about 5:30 and I'm gonna do the pigs and blankets.
Step out the vehicle, sir. Want me to step out the vehicle? He's a French battalion. Your part is here. Hear some of that. That's what I like to hear. So, what did I say about you and your mom? Wait, like, I'm trying to look up for your mom. I'm just trying to say it.
So right now I'm gonna melt some butter and then put it over the Wheaties. But I'm also going to prepare the asparagus with bacon. What are you thankful for?
My kids. And you.
What are you thankful for?
All of you guys, having all my kids, my grandkids together. That makes me happy all the time.
She said me too.
You know what I meant?
She said all of you guys. I'm included.
She's such a dork. She knows what I meant. All of you guys.
Manny, what are you thankful for?
My car.
Oh my god.
Not the people that help you get out.
Not the one who lent you a whole $1,000?
Oh.
Same thing. Not the person that gave you the money. Oh. Not the person that gave you the car.
You want me to put some strawberries on there?
Did you? You did.
On your marks.
No mocos.
On your marks. Get set. Go.
Holy shit, what am I doing?
And your shot. None of you guys take your shot. No, you both take it. That's the whole point of getting drunk. No, Fletcher needs to play too.
And he can play the interior.
Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay.
Giovanni, sit down.
Get set. Go.
Oh, I got cheated.
Oh, no, get the cones. You're not supposed to go.
Wait, the cones. Are you sure?
I just went long style with it.
Grab your balls, people. Now you know. I told you guys to watch the video when I was showing you guys.
We gotta wait.
Who's gonna go against who?
Hey, Dada, I mean,
Angela won. Too bad, Victor. Who's gonna go against? No, you didn't cheat. I didn't cheat. Get set, go.
Holy cow.
On your mark. Get set. Go. No, Zach is cheating. Go.
Are you gonna spit it out me? I already know.
Ready?
bruh.
Can I get some safety glasses? I'm not ready.
Sandra, say it.
They're gonna laugh. I'm not gonna look right. No, just look at them so they can drop it. He's not gonna laugh.
Ready, set, go.